Hello everyone, in this video we will be going to talk about what is personal identifiable information, also known as PII. Let us understand this thing in a very simple word. PII is like a personal data of you. For example, your email, your name, your phone number, your address, your social security number, your PAN card number. So these are all the personal detail which will help you to identify as an individual. Think of like as a digital fingerprint. So if you see all this detail which is mentioned here, these are all kind of PII data. Now you must be thinking, why should I worry about? I don't have nothing to hide. Let us take a scenario. Suppose that your PII information got leaked and it may goes in wrong hand. So it will lead to the frauds, scam, so on. So it is very important to detect the PII kinds of data and mask it out. Now we will see a simple demo in the Python programming. So first of all, what I am going to do, I am going to install these two libraries. The first library is Presidio. It is given by Microsoft to detect any personal identifiable information. One will find out any PII information, other will mask it out. Let me run this out. And UV, you all know, it is a library package manager which will increase your downloading speed like 10 to 100 times faster than pip. Now what I am going to do, I will be going to import the libraries. So these are the two libraries I am going to import: Analyzer Engine, Anonymizer Engine. So let me run this out. So first of all, what it will do, it will analyze your text and it will detect any kind of PII information. The second library, which is Anonymizer, what it will do, it will mask that information. Now here we can see I am importing some other libraries, like if there is any kind of warning or any kind of logging, so we will exclude it, like we will ignore it out. So let me run it out. Now I am going to initialize my Analyzer Engine and Anonymizer Engine. You can see it is successfully loaded. Now what I am going to do, this is my simple text and I want to detect any PII kind of information. Like here we can see we have a phone number, we have email address. So these are PII kind of information. So what we will do, let me run this out and let me detect the information. So I am using Analyzer Engine, analyzer.analyze text. Currently I am specifying entities as none. Language is English. So let me run this out. And here we can see after analyzing, we will detect the PII kind of information using anonymizer function. Anonymizer.anonymize text and the result. Let me run this out. After that, what I will do, I will print the original text and the mask text. So here we can see this is my original text and this is my mask text. You can see my person, like my name, my phone number and my email address has been masked out. So this is how you deal with PII kind of information in a text.